The city of Grand Rapids is investigating a new wedding venue that won't serve LGBTQ plus couples. Broadway Avenue just opened a few weeks ago, and this week demonstrators have gathered outside of the venue to protest its policy of not hosting weddings for same-sex or transgender couples. That policy could violate city law.
News 8's Byron Tollefson has more on the penalties the venue could face.
Kirsten Holtz, an attorney with Levine & Levine in Kalamazoo, believes the wedding venue is violating local law by not serving LGBTQ plus couples.
Wherever you're paying taxes and you have held yourself out as a business open to the public, you are subject to the laws within that area.
The city's human rights ordinance was passed in 2019.
A city ordinance is just a fancy way of saying it's a law.
It established that in Grand Rapids, housing, employment, and public services cannot discriminate based on sex, gender, sexual orientation, and age. She says the Broadway Avenue wedding venue is part of the public services group.
They are a public business, so they're privately owned, but they hold themselves out to the public and provide public services.
After receiving a complaint of discrimination, the city has 90 days to determine if the wedding venue violated the ordinance.
They can refer it to state and federal authorities. They can investigate it themselves, and they can refer it to mediation or even have a trial.
If the city attorney prosecutes the wedding venue for a civil infraction, it would face fines.
Every day that there's a violation, there is a $500 fine. Beyond that, the city ordinance is really silent on what additional penalties a violator could face.
Broadway Avenue would have the right to appeal the fine on grounds the city ordinance is unconstitutional.
They would appeal, like I said, to the circuit court, which is the big courthouse in downtown Grand Rapids. And from there, they could go to the Michigan Court of Appeals and then on to the Michigan Supreme Court.
Holtz predicts that lawsuit would fail, but she says the human rights ordinance does provide some exceptions for religious groups.
If they were affiliated with a specific church and operated as a branch of that church, they may have more success, but they're not. They're holding themselves out as being open, in fact, to other faiths.
The venue could also face lawsuits from people who say they were discriminated against. In Grand Rapids, Byron Tollefson, News 8.
We did reach out to the venue owners tonight for comment, but did not hear back.